My name is Brandon. I'm 17 years old and I'm from Ohio. I started out fixing iPhones when I was around 14. My phone had actually broken and I didn't want to spend the money to buy another one, so I got the part online from a Chinese store and fixed it myself and figured, yeah, I kind of like this. It was kind of fun actually at first. I enjoyed taking stuff apart since I was little, and well, it was nice for the first time being able to put it back together. A friend actually had his phone just completely shattered and didn't have the money to buy a new phone either. I fixed it for him, and after that I think the word got out that I was able to do it.